All right, everyone, it's March 20th, 2012. Pastor Dave here, and I have a breaking story, urgent story happening, and it's happening right now in Clintonville, Wisconsin. I want to thank a viewer and subscriber of mine, Ben Molin, who brings me this story and asked me to do this video, that this is happening right now, and this is urgent. Could this have anything to do with Bible prophecy, the rapture of the church, or we are fast approaching? We're fast approaching on the 188-day earthquake cycle, and is this a sign of possibly a mega quake? Strange sounds in Wisconsin, and it sounds like rattling pipes, clanging metal, thunder, or firecrackers. That's the way some residents in Clintonville, Wisconsin described the unexplained noises they heard early Sunday into Monday morning. The sounds seem to have affected only an 8-block radius. 8 blocks, one town, Clintonville, in an 8-block radius, where the ground was shaking, and you could feel the ground shaking. Let me bring you, there's a video I'm going to play for you in a moment, and it's only happening in an 8-block radius of Clintonville, Wisconsin. All public utilities were checked, and nothing unusual was found, according to these articles from Fox11online.com and JS online. The sounds are all over the place in terms of the witness accounts. Very interesting descriptions from the news articles. What, everyone, is this ground shaking? Is this sound in Clintonville, Wisconsin? It was kind of like constant boom, 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 said resident Joseph Clausen, and you could feel like the ground shaking beneath you and whatnot. Is this a sign of what's to come in the next few days here? It almost felt like a heavy-duty thunderstorm, but it was shaking. It was shaking, though, said resident Al Miller. The sounds variously described as rattling pipes, clanging metal, thunder, or firecrackers going off have continued on and off since early Sunday night, and what I understand is going on right now as I bring you this report. Right now, it's increasing. In just one part of the small town of 4,600, located about 180 miles northeast of Madison. Jolene Van Beek, who lives on Lincoln Avenue, said she first heard a loud sound like a sonic boom or two trains coupling about 9:30 p.m. Sunday night. We thought neighbors were slamming their doors super hard, she said Monday. It was a loud noise, and then came the shaking. There have been many incidents of strange rumblings in unlikely places recently, and yes, there have. Strange sounds, metal rubbing against metal clanging, like pipes clanging. I haven't been posting these accounts because there are so many, and they are all unexplained. Well, this is really unexplained, and from what I understand from the viewer and subscriber of mine, I need to report this. It's happening right now as I speak. And let's listen to this video. I haven't heard this video yet, but let's take a listen. Could this be?
Uncle, thanks for joining us. People in Clintonville say it started late last night and it continued on for much of the evening. Loud boom, some described like thunder, and then the ground shaking. No one hurt, no evacuations, but still, nobody knows what has been causing it. Let's go to Matt Smith. He's live in Clintonville right now.
Kevin, good afternoon to you. This is ground zero, so to speak, and the last place where that physical shaking was felt, the last recorded time at about 8:45 this morning by the city administrator. What they've determined is the physical shaking has been felt within about an 8-block radius, the northeast part of the city. The sounds have actually been heard further, and we've been told they are still going on at various points throughout this city at this hour. At this point, the city has gone about the city. They've tried to determine what it can be. Let's look at some video from earlier today. The city and emergency management officials are working to track police calls to see if there is any sort of pattern to where this is coming from. And of course, talking with residents, many who woke up in the middle of the night. Let's hear from them a short while ago.
Around 3 a.m., I really heard just some loud noises like sonic booms. That's what it kind of sounded like. And it just kept right on going, rolling.
We'll be dealing with our emergency government people to determine if there's anything that we can find out from Madison, from geologists, but at this point it seems again strange that it doesn't appear to be happening other places.
There's a lot at this hour the city has ruled out. With police and fire by their side, the public works scoured these 8 blocks roughly, determined there are no issues with gas, no elevated levels. We Energies in our pipeline has been out here. They have determined nothing as well. They've checked on old mining permits, nothing they could find there. No current mining permits that could cause this. They've also checked multiple counties where that could be going on. They have ruled out earthquakes, nothing on the monitors. So a lot of questions remain at this hour as folks heard noises and woke up to rumblings in the middle of the night. We, of course, will be here throughout the afternoon and bring you the latest on Action 2 News starting at 4. For now, reporting live in Clintonville, Matt Smith, Action 2 News.
All right, everyone, there you have it. Coming out of Clintonville, Wisconsin. Is this a sign? Is this a biblical sign of prophecy to come? Is it a sign? I guess no. They've checked with earthquakes. No earthquakes in the area. But is there something underlying? We're March 20th right now. We're looking at the 22nd, depending where you live, the 21st, for the next alignment, 188-day earthquake cycle, and we have a planetary alignment. Or could this be spiritual, supernatural? Leave me your comments, and our prayers go up to everyone around the world in this time. We are so close. We are so close to see Bible prophecy being fulfilled as I speak. We're close to the sky, Jesus breaking the sky and taking us home. Could this be a warning of a mega quake? God bless everyone. Let's keep everyone involved and lift them up in prayer throughout the day. Leave me your comments on this. It's happening, and as I said, it's happening right now. God bless.